Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. Today we're going to look at this upbit pumping, and it's more than just Icon. We're going to look at the other coins like Enjin, Hedera Hashgraph, Kyber Network. And as we go down the line of coins that have gained more than 10%, Ren's actually not on upbit, but a lot of these coins, like you'll see like upbit's ranking suddenly rise on these coins. Upbit volume has actually has gone skyrocketed in the last couple of days. And that is actually because since Upbit's wallet is closed deposits and withdrawals, a lot of people with these coins that would actually like to dump are not able to dump. So that's really helpful in a pump. So a lot of these coins are actually on Upbit that are pumping the most. Like Alf is actually on Upbit. Hedera Hashgraph Upbit, Kyber Network Upbit. And Theta, I believe, is also on Upbit, as is obviously ICS, Lisk. So like the majority of the coins that have actually pumped double digits are actually on Upbit, and they're pumping from Upbit. And if we take a look at Hedera, you can see like Upbit has the symbol near it. That means they're not doing withdrawals and deposits. You can't deposit your coins to dump. So that really helps with the coin just keeps on pumping and not dumping. Also, if you look at the price on Upbit, it's usually slightly higher. I mean, on Hedera, it's actually a lot higher. On Hedera, it's actually a lot higher. You can see like Upbit's like 3 cents more than the next one, which is Liquid. So that's actually how all these coins are pumping. So if you want to know about the next coin that's pumped, you want to look at Upbit and look at the coins that actually have a KRW pair. KRW means Korean won. Upbit is basically Korea's portal. And Korea, of those you that don't know, is generally like sectioned off from the rest of the crypto market. So they're on like their own ecosystem. And Upbit is the main exchange for fiats in Korea. So it is like a prime place where all these pumps start. There are whales on Upbit that actually pump coins every once in a while. Yes, XRP is being pumped a little on Upbit, but because of XRP's overall volume and size, they can't actually pump it up that much. So they're focusing their efforts on other coins. They're actually pumping quite a bit of money into XRP too. But honestly, like XRP has such great volume that and liquidity that they're not able to pump it up much. And the price on Upbit isn't that much higher than other coins. But it has risen up the rankings for XRP as well. But for things like Enjin, Kyber, Theta, and others, and Alf, like these are very small coins, and they can actually be raised pretty easily. And that's what they're actually doing, taking advantage of the time that the wallet is actually down. So if you want to know like which coin is actually going to pump next, a good guess is like one of these coins that has a KRW pair at Upbit. Just pick one. I would just pick one over the next couple of days. There is a list of coins that Upbit's going to delist soon, so I would look at that. But for the coins that it's not going to delist, look at some of the small ones. And anytime that Upbit actually has a bit of like a maintenance, some of these small coins are going to pump depending on which ones the whales want to pump next. The smaller the coin, the higher the percentage you're going to get. You're probably not going to want to buy anything in the top 10 in terms of market cap, because even if Upbit tries to pump it, it's not going to pump very much. Definitely not in the top 4 or 5. So you'll want to actually look at this list. If you want short-term profits, right now is a pretty good chance to do so. I don't really know when their deposits and withdrawals are going to like be normal again, but right now is actually a pretty good time to look at some of these coins and see if you want to take a dabble at any of these. Now, don't actually buy these on Upbit. You want to buy these on like Binance or something else, because the Upbit pumping is pulling the rest of the market up. So you can actually benefit if you can actually benefit from buying any of these coins on Binance. You can definitely benefit by buying any of these coins on Binance and then just waiting for it to go up. Once it goes up X amount, then you can actually think about selling and making a profit. And that's probably like the best short-term advice, or short-term profits you're going to see, the best guess, because there's a clear signal for why it's happening, and they might do it to more coins because they've been doing it to more and more coins, but it's kind of random. There's no way I can tell you which coins they're going to pump, and I don't really know when the pumps are going to stop and it's going to start dumping. So there's a lot of risk for you to do this, but you could actually make a decent amount of money doing this as well. So that is the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you, and have a nice day.